na kami ngayon ni Angelo sa Pilipinas. Hindi kasama si Monkey. Why it's Claxas? I hope there is no traffic.
It is Monday. The middle of the day, so hopefully not so much. So in the back there is the way back there.
This is
Never went here.
really?
No, I mean, I've worked before in one of the areas I delivered was Birkerol, but this one I don't know. I guess they're close, right? Because you go towards Birkerol. I didn't go to every single little city. Birkerol, I know. I like Birkerol.
Yeah, it's nice in Marisa place. This. We're going in.
This here. Somewhere 6:10. Just after this one is 30. Let's see.
There are electric bicycle even.
16,
Is it
18, 18,
Ah,
18.
here.
Or maybe we should just.
Is it 118A?
Either 118A, see 118B. I don't know. What did she from the bag? I see the bag next to the car.
Oh, that's it. I thought it's... Yeah. See, pipick upin namin yung binigay nitong babae. May stuffed toys. Libre to. Ayan, marami din. Thank you. Wala naman, oh. Dalawang soap. Ano namin. Ayan. Okay na rin. Alis na naman kami. Mamimake up ng iba. Sa Rodowa naman na kami pupunta. Mamimake up uli ng teddy bears. Ito naman ay itutulong namin sa Pilipinas. Bibigay namin sa mga bata na walang laruan.
The mission to gather all the teddy bears.
Yeah. But this one we will give, right, to other kids
Yeah.
there in Philippines.
But still, we have to first gather them. Right?
Yeah, that's
The
true.
different places.
So I hope,
Noble Coast.
yeah,
Noble Coast.
I hope the kids will be happy.
Of course. I was not happy when. Even I will be happy if I get a teddy bear. So of course, everyone's happy with the teddy bears.
That's true. Dito na kami sa Rodowa. Malapit na yung pupuntahan namin na pipick upin namin na teddy bears.
Look at the car. Look at another
Ay,
back
ay, ay.
tires.
What happened to the car?
Police, put a tape on it, I guess.
So, shanshars. Looks like it's gonna rain.
Let's see, there's a bit of cloud, but like, let's hope not.
How many minutes?
You have to Good you remembered. It's 400 meters, which is 1 minute.
Yes, it's here. We're going there.
Hopefully.
We're going there.
For the Apple, but I'm not sure if there is for the
Android.
Yeah, maybe they have it for both, right?
Maybe. If it's an app.
Somewhere here.
On the right,
I don't
it's
think
here.
we can stop anywhere forward. Maybe here on the block.
There?
So we're here and then it's this block here.
Mm.
So it should be this one here.
Mm.
So you can just go and check
And andito na kami. Yung hiningi namin ng mga teddy bears dito sa isang Pilipina, siya ang magbibigay. O di ba ang babait ng mga Pilipina dito sa Denmark? Nasaan na? That's what I don't know, where is it? 360. Where is it? 363. Ilan taon yung anak mo?
Ano na siya, 4 and a half.
Ah.
Makatime na siya sa mga on-car toys kasi siya. Kaya
7 yung anak ko.
babae lalaki.
Lalaki silang dalawa. 10,000. 10 yung isa. Ayan, ang dami. Oh, diba? Uy, maraming salamat. Uy, ako magpapasalamat kasi at least matutuwa yung mga bata. Ang dami. Ang dami kong nadala dito. Oh. Ayaw niya magpakita ng mukha, kaya okay na yun. Anong pangalan mo? G, oo nga. Sige ha, salamat. Sige, aalis na kami. Salamat. Magpa-flight kami ngayong gabi sa Pilipinas. Oo. Kaya hinahabol ko kasi sayang ang, di ba? Sa Nueva Vizcaya.
Okay.
Oo. Hindi. Siguro, oo. Saan ka ba?
Manila.
O sige, hay, maraming salamat ha. Ingat. Sige, sige, salamat. Ayan. Dami naming bit-bit. Ito, ang dami kong nadala. Binigay ng isang Pilipina. Marami din. At saka may mga bago. O, di ba? Ang galing ng Pilipina. O, matulungin yung mga Pilipina dito sa Denmark. Tara na yun. Sasakay na namin dun sa sasakyan. Nakatulog sa
What?
Ay, nagising na yung anak ko, oh. Nakatulog. Nice. Ito na yung huling pick up namin. Ngayon uuwi naman na kami dun sa bahay ng nanay nito. Tapos kakain kasi nakapaghanda na raw siya ng kakainin namin bago kami mag-flight. Kaya uuwi kami dun para i-pack up itong teddy bears. Tapos, ayun, punta na kami ng airport. Uwian na sa Pilipinas! Yung bigla ang pag-uwi ng Pilipinas, hindi kami nakahanda. Kasi hindi naman talaga kami uuwi. Biglaan na pag-uwi, kaya wala kaming dala. Sarili lang namin ang dala namin. At hanggang dito na lang muna. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Samahan nyo kami sa susunod naming mga paglalakbay. Maraming salamat uli. Bye-bye!